Okay, I see it.
Push it.
How the fuck am I gonna reach up there?
Get a screwdriver, homie.
Where's the screwdriver?
Screwdriver, fucking.
Wait, yeah, you got a
It's
screwdriver.
literally what I grabbed when the hammer fell.
Try and get the end of the connecting rod that's broken. And then try and push it up.
Okay.
It should come out pretty easily.
Okay, that moves. Oh, don't fall on my face. Is it moving?
Oh, you know what?
Where are those extensions at? Those two long ass ones.
Here, use this. Just jam it to the underside of the piston.
Yeah, because I can't reach.
Yeah, just jam it to the underside of the piston. Like hard.
This might work.
Rammer.
Don't dodge it. Ram it.
Oops, wrong hole. I'm being dead ass.
Were you going fucking number 2?
It looked like it.
The broken connected rod, homie. Ah, there we go. Keep going. Boom.
Got it?
Yep, there it is. Ah, yes. Look at that.
That can definitely be a shift now.
Look at that.
Okay, hang on. Let me get out.
Look at that
There's another
shit.
hammer.
Whoa. A beer. Look at that. God damn. You better keep this.
That can definitely be. You can even have it angled towards yourself.
Just put the shift pattern up here.
Oh.
Show the broken end. Show the broken end.
I'm sure we can weld the other piece on there.
Yep. We can make that a whole hammer.
All the way.
No?
Sorry.
That's fucked. You can see the cylinder wall is all fucked up too.
Oh well.
Ah, damn. Well, we didn't plan on doing this, but
Fuck it.
the occasion called for it. But now it's easier to access the fucking 2 bolts on top of the transmission.
Alright, let's get this puppy out.
Yeah.
So doing that, we'd have to put back those bolts we took out to the.
To the drive shaft?
Yep.
I only took 2 out.
Well, I'm just saying. I'm just trying to remember what we did.
We would have to do it right now.
No.
But yeah.
Wait. Look at that.
So the 2 bolts.
Yeah, this one, and this one.
That's it.
And then the fucking third one's like down there somewhere. The one we needed the long ass extensions to like fucking reach them.
Oh.
Yeah, you could pull the starter off right now if you wanted to. Yep, there's the starter. Let's pull that fucker out. While you're there. Disconnect it. Should make it easier. Well, before we do that, let's get the other bolts out.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, throw all this shit over there.
Okay,
That's the main harness.
Yeah, let's just leave it.
I'm saying like push it over there.
This?
That way we can actually reach all this shit easier.
How much step? Over you. Oh, I don't want to pull it.
Hold up.
Oh, that should be clipped on, shouldn't it?
Now I'm seeing where the wire goes.
Yeah, I know, but you can just push
like
the
down
clip
here.
out on the other side.
Looks like it goes this way. Watch out. Oh, it goes to the battery.
No.
It goes on there.
It goes down to
No, it
this.
goes down here. No, it's for the fuses, I think.
Ah, fuck. Leave that alone.
Oh, well, I'm just saying you can push that clip out and you'll be able to just move it out.
Because they were both moving. I was like, oh no, I think that's the battery. But
Oh, yeah.
See, but now you can
Maybe these two.
work better.
okay.
Then maybe we might have easier access to the one.
Somewhere over there.
Maybe. But these two are a lot easier to reach now. Alright, boys.
Let me get my
Alright.
Irish whiskey out.
We got that last bolt out. Finally, it's fucking what, 12:30?
It's probably 1 in the morning, dude.
All right.
12:58, boys.
I called it. There it goes.
All right, start pulling your cut. Yeah, it's coming off. It's coming off.
I'll shake the shit out of it. Should I lift it more?
Yeah, we should also invest in a crowbar.
I should.
You actually did it. I gave it back away. Oh, because earlier. Trying to get the drop.
Yeah, you think?
The other light's still under, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, pull that part out as much as you can, and then let's try and keep, yeah, like keep it like that, and then get a fucking wrench and then try and.
Where's the 17?
Somewhere.
Somewhere over here. No, wait, remember I dropped it.
Oh,
It's on the floor, huh?
it's right there. It's right there.
Yeah, she's off.
All right.
What is this?
What? Oh shit.
It's like little studs holding it.
No, that's just to keep them lined up. All right, yeah, that one's off. Try this side.
Come on.
Oh, it's coming off, baby.
Yeah, it's those little studs holding it in.
Come on.
Something at the bottom.